Alright, what's going on, my friends? Alright, so I don't have a clutch cutting video today. What I'm going to try to do is an update video on 3 clutches that were all hatched on the same day. So what I do, if I have 3, 2, 4 clutches that hatch on the same day, I usually put them all into the same container. So, until they all shed. As soon as they all shed, then I move them to their own separate containers. And it looks like today all these guys shed. So I'm going to try to do a quick update, which I'm sure is going to go crazy because these guys are they're all trying to go on me. So you know what? While I have the lid on, I'll let you know what they were. So obviously you can see in there, it was an albino to an albino. We got, I don't know, maybe 6 albinos. So the other 2 clutches were a tiger to a lemon blast and a tiger to an lesser. So for those of you that don't know, a tiger is a desert enchi. And also, if you didn't know, on the desert gene, only the males are fertile. The females are not fertile. So it's going to be a couple cool things in here that are going to go very cheap to somebody. Basically going to be a pet. You'll never be able to breed the females. So without further ado, here we go. I know I'm going to lose some snakes here, but let's try this quick. So obviously you can see all these sheds here. So I don't know, it looks like, just by looking at the snakes, looks like pretty much everybody shed. So let's throw them out of the way. So let's do these guys first, which is a no-brainer. When you do albino to albino, oh, you saw that? I just got whacked. Let's see here. Now we don't want to do it. So when you do an albino to an albino, for all you newbies, you're going to get all albinos. So there you go. There's a bundle of albino ball pythons. These will all be for sale. So those of you that are interested, hit me up. So I'm going to put them there. So let's go right to the desert gene. I'm going to grab a normal, and let me grab a desert here just to show you the difference. Okay, so doing good so far. Nobody escaped. What we have here is a normal. And what we have here is a desert ball python. Now this isn't the desert ghost. This is just the... Oh man, sorry about that. This is just a desert gene. Come on, open up. I'm going to show these guys. So, as you can see, the dirt that's in here is not in there on these guys. These are just super clean, and anything you pair them up with turns out to be awesome, with the exception of the females being infertile. So let's do a couple tigers. This would be what the father of this clutch was, which is the enchi deserts. And I'm outside, it's getting dark. I don't know if the color's getting picked up, but as you can see how clean it is in between them saddles. No dirt in there, and that's why it makes whatever it's put to awesome looking. Trying to figure out what this guy is here. You know what, this might just be I think that there might just be a very clean, I don't know if that's a desert enchi pastel, or you know what, that might just be a very clean pastel enchi, which would have came from the lemon blast clutch. Speaking of lemon blast clutch, let's do this. So I'm thinking, get some of that shed off of there. I'm thinking regular lemon blast, Desert Lemon Blast. I don't know. I did some Desert Pinstripes last year, and they look different than this. I don't know. This is either a Desert Pinstripe or Desert Lemon Blast. Nah, look at that head. I think it's a Lemon Blast. So, I'm going to stick with it. Desert Lemon Blast. Okay, so we also did that same Tiger. Yeah, sorry about the paint, guys. It's from work. Just got home from work a little bit ago. In fact, talking about that, I'm actually filling in for a couple guys on another job, and of course, another high-rise job. As soon as you get there, the same people that, 8 years ago would say, yo, there's that goofy guy that has a pet snake. Now they come running up, say, yo, what's up, snake dude? I'm watching your videos, and when's your next cut? Blah, blah, blah. So I want to say what's up to all them guys. Thanks for subscribing. All right, so let's just go do it this way, one at a time. That is a regular lesser that came out of the clutch. Beautiful looking snake, but I'm going to show you what the Desert does to that. So here, that's going to be, hold on, got an escapee here. That is going to be a Desert lesser compared to a normal lesser. So let's drop the normal lesser, and we'll pick up what probably turned out to be the coolest thing in this whole clutch, which turned out to be a Tiger. Come on, settle down. Turned out to be a Tiger lesser. So that is, put you guys down. So that is basically a Desert Enchi lesser. Very cool looking snake. And of course, with all your other clutches, you're hoping for females. This clutch here, I'm hoping for a male that would be fertile, and guess what? That's a female right there. So somebody will get a very cool looking, cheap pet snake. All right, so there you go. Little update video. Got another clutch coming up. I guess about a week, but probably between that, before that clutch happens, I'll do another update on one of the other clutches that is going to probably shed out before that. So anyway, quick update, and I'll talk to you guys later.